Here's a quick neighborhood driving lesson. This is a stop sign, and this is my neighborhood, but nobody wants to stop at the stop sign. They roll through it. But anyway, I will be stopping. And in this case, I stop at the edge of the roadway because there's no white line or sidewalk. And I look to the left and the right, and then I'll proceed with my turn with my right signal on. Now we're coming up onto a stop sign and I'm making a left turn, so I signal left. And we've got no white line, no sidewalk. Oh yes, there is. So the front stops just before the sidewalk and I can see clearly to the left and the right. Now I can proceed safely. Stop sign ahead, going straight. Have a white line. When I don't see the white line, it's time to stop right there. Check, left, right. Proceed if it's safe to do so. Next street, right turn, signal right, check mirror, right blind spot, over my shoulder, turn into the street, and proceed. At the stop sign, I'm going straight, and again, we have a white line, so when I don't see the line, it's time to stop right there. Now, I cannot see clearly to the left and right, so I make sure there's no one in the crosswalk, and then I inch forward to a point that I can see clearly to the left, clearly to the right, and of course it's busy. Now we check to the left again, but that truck is in the way, blocking my view, so I inch up to a point that I can see, and now it's safe, then I go. And this is the end of this short lesson. We're pulling over to stop to the right. That's it. Thank you.